Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to Tuesday's Maths revision lesson. Today we're going to be revising addition and subtraction. Okay, so what is addition and subtraction? You can pause the video here and think about everything you know about addition and everything you know about subtraction. And when you're ready, just press play again and we'll move on to the next slide. So here are some words that I have come up with for addition, and I know that we have even more on our wall in class. So, add, more, because we know when we add, we get more. Join, we join parts together. Combine, and bigger. So all of these words help us to understand what addition means. Subtraction, we take away. We have the whole number and we take a part away. We have less. Smaller, the numbers get smaller when we take away. And you often see in word problems how many are left. Okay, let's start off by counting on. So, when we're adding, we're now learning to start from the biggest number, hold the biggest number in our head, and count on. So the biggest number here is it 6 or is it 2? Well done, the biggest number is 6. So I start with 6 and I add the 2 more. 1 more is 7, 2 more is 8. So 6 add 2 is 8. So we hold the biggest number in our head, put the smallest number on our fingers and count on. 4 add 5. Which is the biggest number? That's right, it's 5. So we can put 5 in our heads and we can put 4 on our fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 add 4 or 4 add 5 is 9. Okay, I would like you to see if you could write 4 number sentences that match this picture. So you can pause the video here and have a go. I'll give you a clue. It has something to do with the colours. See if you can work that out. So pause the video and see if you can write me 4 number sentences that match this picture, where some are pink and some are green. I think I might have given you a clue then. All right, so how many were green? 6, that's right, 6 were green. And how many were pink? 4. Now you all would recognize this because we've been doing lots and lots of work all year with 10 frames, haven't we? So if 6 are green and 4 are pink, how many are there altogether? Well done, 10. So your 4 number sentences could be 6 plus 4 equals 10, or 4 plus 6 equals 10. Then you could write some takeaway number sentences. 10, remember when we take away, we always start with the biggest number. So we've got 10 as our whole. If I take away 4 pink, how many do I have left? 6 green, well done. 10 is my whole. If I take away the 6 that are green, how many do I have left? 4, well done. If you got all 4 number sentences, give yourself 2 ticks and a pat on the back. That's really good learning. Okay, now can you write 4 number sentences to match this picture? And if you would like to challenge yourself, see if you can write 8. I'll give you a clue. When you're writing 8, it has something to do with the equal sign. We've done it in class before. Remember, you can only use the numbers on this model. So I can see some that are pink and I can see some that are green. Pause the video and write your number sentences. Okay, we had how many pink? 3, well done. 3 that are pink. And how many that are green? 7. And we know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. Or you could say 7 add 3 equals 10. Now let's have a look at takeaway. I've got 10 is my whole, that's all of the squares. If I take away the 7 green squares, how many are left? 3. 10 is my whole. If I take away the 3 pink squares, how many are left? 7. Well done. Who got the other 4 number sentences with the equals sign? Well done if you did. That was tricky. So 10, because we can move the equal sign around, and that's really important that we actually do that in our maths and we practice that moving the equal sign around, because it helps us understand what the equal signs mean. So that's quite important to write number sentences like this as well. So 10 is our whole. 10 equals 7, 7 green, plus 3 pink. Or we can flip it, 10 equals 3 plus 7. Now the takeaway is when it gets a little bit tricky here. 3 is my number. 3 equals 10. I have 10. Take away 7. So if I've got 10 altogether, if I take away these 7 green ones, how many am I left with? 3. That's right. And then the last one, sorry, I'm just going to rub that out. The last one is 7 equals 10 take away 3. If I have 10 as my whole, if I take away the 3 pink, how many do I have left here? I have 7. All right, can you write 4 number sentences to match this picture? And challenge yourself, see if you can write 8. So we've got a part that's pink and a part that's green. Okay, 1 pink plus 9 green equals 10. Or we could write 9 add 1 equals 10. For our takeaway, all of them together are 10. If I take away the 9 green ones, how many do I have left? 1. If I have 10 and I take away the 1 pink, how many green do I have left? 9. So those are your 4 number sentences. And the tricky part, with the equal sign at the front, 10 equals 9 altogether plus 1 more. So 9 green plus 1 pink. 10 equals 1 add 9. So 1 pink add 9 green. 9 equals 10 altogether, take away the 1 pink, and then I'm left with 9 green. Or 1 equals 10 altogether, take away the 9 green, and I'm left with 1 pink. Well done, boys and girls. If you want to do some more work on your warm-up, what you can do is write out all of your number bonds to 10 and all of your number bonds to 20. Once you've done that, you can head over to the White Rose Maths page where you're going to be doing a lesson on fractions today. Enjoy!